friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you something very exciting and amazing. So first of all, tell me, what can you guess from this picture? Yes, correct. You can see that CPU, monitors, and keyboards, mouse, pen drive, CD, DVDs, everything. So today's topic is hardware components. Everything, single thing you will know about them: backside, front side, inside the CPU, inside the pen drive, inside the keyboard, everything. What is computer? So computer is electronic machine that process data into the information. Okay, so it is a electronic automatic machine. First we input the data. CPU, full form is central processing unit, process the data and gives output which is useful for the people. And binary digits are 1 to 0. 1 0 are the binary digits. Now, who invented computer? You all know the father of computer, Charles Babbage. So he only invented the first ever computer. He was an English mathematician and inventor. Charles Babbage is credited with having conceived the first automatic digital computer during the mid 1830s. Babbage developed plans for the analytical engine. His childhood photo. Okay. His childhood photo is this. He looked like this. Now, components of computer. So, a computer system is like another system. Receives the input, process the input, delivers the processed input as an output. So today we are going to learn system unit, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, speaker, and a webcam. Okay, so now let's uh, study about them. First generation computer used the vacuum. This is the vacuum here presented, and it was the first ever computer. Okay, now we come to the second generation computer. As the generation, third generation, fourth, fifth generation are there, every single generation will be greater than the other generation. Okay, size will always be smaller. Okay, and processing faster. Categorized by it. Categorized means what is this made of? The system, what is made of? Magnetic codes. Magnetic disks use high level language, easier to program. Now, third generation computer, 1963 to 1975, integrated circuits. Here you can see this line circuits on a single chip. So this was the chip where the transistors and electronic erupted many. Okay, now categorized by mini computers, accessible by multiple users from remote terminals. Okay, now we come to the fourth generation. It is still going on, 1975 to today. Since how many time? 19, and it is 2021. Okay, so this is a long period. So VLSI, very large scale integration. So this also was circuit on a single chip. Okay, size small as compared. Every thing is small. Okay, every generation of computer is small and faster than the first generation. Categorized by the personal computer and user-friendly microprograms, very fast processor, cheap high-level language. Now we come to fifth generation. Fifth generation is this. It is an upcoming generation. It is giving us the summary what all it will look about, how it works. So the goal of the fifth generation computing, develop the device that responds to a natural language input and are capable of learning and self-organization. Now let's come to monitor. Monitor is one of the output device computer controlling the transmits words and pictures to your monitor, and it is like our TV, old times TV, a box. Okay, so now in schools we use this type of monitor. They are CRD monitors, uh, uh, yes, CRD and LCD monitors. So they are presented in the school. Okay, CRT, cathode ray tube, and invention was Carol Ferdinand Braun engineered the monitor in 1897. He was the first to invent monitor. Okay, now front and back side of CPU. This is the front side where the CD, DVDs, restart button, everything is there. Back side where the devices are connected. So till here I'm doing. Bye. see my next video.